It's going to be Judge Oakley.
Judge Oakley.
And Mariah is actually going to be coordinating it. And she'll be on in just a few minutes.
All right. I also have a sentencing in front of Judge Martin at 8:45.
Okay.
I'm filling in for, well, Miss Greer and I changed positions today. I'm doing Al's docket, and Miss Sharon Greer is going to do any arraignments or walk-ins.
Okay, Jeff, thank you. If you wouldn't mind repeating that when Mariah comes on as well, that way I don't get anything miscommunicated there. That would be great.
Cool. And everybody in Florida says hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Are you in Florida now?
Yes, I'm in Florida as we speak.
Oh. I didn't know you were heading down.
Yeah, I'm at my daughter's house down here for a couple days.
Oh, nice.
It is nice down here. Beautiful. God's beautiful. You know, I normally don't like Zoom, but it allows me to be in Florida for a couple days.
Mm-hmm. See, so it's not terrible.
Beg your pardon?
See, it's not terrible.
No, well, not all the time. I'm actually getting used to it. Now I actually get used to it. They'll open up the courts. But anyway, in a little bit here, I'm gonna, well, not too long, but I do have an 8:45 with Judge Martin.
Okay.
Good morning, Mariah.
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, I was just gonna say, I see you're live, streaming live and recording.
Yes.
Do you already have your breakout room set up?
I'm just getting on. I'm not sure if Andy set them up or not, but I will.
I think she said she did. I'm not sure. I was walking through pretty fast. Okay, well, I've got him in here. I'm gonna go ahead and mute him. And when he's ready, I've got his docket for him in front of him, the dates and times, and the case files, okay?
So Paula, if you could give me a call, because we were going to try a different experiment today where we don't need the judge or you even in the meeting until we're ready for him to take some pleas on the record. So if they're just requesting adjournments, I was going to give that to them.
So you want the dates and times?
I do have them. So
Okay.
if you could just give me a call real quick.
Okay,
I'll talk to you about it.
all right.
So we don't tie you up all day. Okay,
All
thank
right,
you.
I'm gonna mute him.
Okay.
Mariah,
Yes. Hi, Jeff.
I'm not to interrupt, hon, but I am sitting in, well, Miss Greer and I changed today. She's
Okay.
doing the in-custody walk-ins, and I'm
Okay.
doing Al's docket.
Sounds great.
And then at 8:45, I have to go out briefly for sentencing in front of Judge Martin.
Okay. I will make a note of that. Thank you very much.
So let me know when appropriate, and I'll change to Judge Martin and do my sentencing, and I'll be right back then after that.
Okay. Sounds
All
good,
right.
Jeff.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, good morning, Mr. Rourke. How are you today?
Good. How you doing?
Good, great. So you're here today for a driving without due care and caution case in front of Magistrate Hindman. He is actually was unable to make it today for the docket, so you'll be actually in front of Judge Oakley.
Okay.
Did you want an attorney in this case?
No.
No, you'd just like to proceed with the prosecutor?
Yes.
Okay, let me just hang out there. Let me see if we have the prosecutor ready to go on this case, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, good morning, Angela. Would you like a breakout room with Mr. Rourke?
Sure.
He declined MIDC.
Yeah, I heard.
Mariah, I'm going to switch over to Judge Martin.
Okay, great.
Hello, Angela.
Are you finished already, Angela?
Yeah, you might need to bring him back from the breakout room.
Okay. Hi, Andy.
Hi.
Hi. Did you set up time limits on the breakout rooms?
I didn't do anything with them.
Okay.
Is it letting you do it or no?
I'm gonna go in and close them all and restart them and see.
So if you go to that options, it would have just been on whatever Al normally has his set on,
Okay,
whatever he normally uses, it would have defaulted to that.
okay. All right, thank you.
Mhm.
Bye-bye. So Angela, were you able to come to an agreement with Mr. Rourke?
Yes, we're going to, yeah, do you want me to tell you what it is?
No, we're gonna put it on record with the judge.
Okay.
Yep, so we're gonna wait and just see if we get someone else, and if not, within a 10-minute period, we'll recall the case in front of
Okay.
you.
No
Okay?
problem.
All right. So Mr. Rourke, I'm just going to put you back into the waiting room. Don't leave the meeting. We're just gonna wait until we get another few pleas, and then we'll put them on the record in front of the judge, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, you're welcome.
Sorry, I had it on.
Hi, good morning. For the Galaxy S20 5G, name please. Hi, good morning. Your name please?
Jennifer Bledsoe.
Jennifer Bledsoe. And Jennifer, what time were you scheduled for today?
It says
Oh, I
8.
see. 8:50, I see you. And Jennifer, did you want to speak with a defense attorney prior to speaking with the prosecutor?
No, I don't think I really need to.
Okay. All right, then I'm going to put you into a breakout room with with Miss Manorino. She is the prosecutor for Van Buren Township. Just one moment.
Okay. Thank you.
And Angela, today, if you should need adjournment dates,
Mhm.
just let me know and I'll give them out to the defendant. Okay,
Okay, sounds good.
thank you.
Hello.
So you'll be back in room number 1, Angela.
Okay.
Hi, good morning, Miss Brown.
Yes.
Hi, do you have access to turn on your video?
I thought it was on. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
There it goes.
There you are. I see you now. Miss Brown, I have you here today on a driving while suspended and a traffic signal violation.
Yes.
Did you want to speak with a defense attorney today prior to speaking with the prosecutor?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. Okay, so I'm going to put you back in the waiting room. The defense attorney is actually taking another case right now. So as
Okay.
soon as he's available, I'm going to put him in with you so you can speak together, okay?
Thank you so much.
All right, you're welcome.
Mariah, would you mind moving Miss Bledsoe back to the main room? She wasn't able to figure it out.
Okay. Okay, so Ms. Manarino, were you able to come to an agreement with Ms. Bledsoe?
Yep.
Okay, great. So Ms. Bledsoe, I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. We'll
Okay.
have the judge into the meeting shortly, but if you could just wait there until we bring you back in and we'll get your case settled, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Angela, I had Heaven Brown
Okay.
who wants to speak with MIDC. So as soon as Jeff is back in, we'll get them together.
Okay.
Hi, good morning, Miss Davis. For Sierra Davis?
Yes,
Hi, Miss
yes,
Davis.
can
Can
you
you
hear me?
please? Yes, I can hear you. Can you turn on your video function, please?
Okay, 1 second.
Okay. Hi, good morning, Miss Davis.
Good morning.
You're here today on a driving while suspended second charge in front of Van Buren Township. Did you want to speak with a defense attorney prior to speaking to the prosecutor? Miss Davis, if you can hear me, your phone froze.
Hello.
Hi, for Adam's iPhone, can I get a name, please?
My name is Patricia Howley.
Patricia Holly.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
see you here scheduled at 8:15, Miss Holly. Did you want to speak with a defense attorney prior to speaking with the prosecutor?
No, I just want to pay the ticket, set up a payment arrangements for the ticket.
Okay, you do have one misdemeanor charge for driving while license suspended that is not sentenced yet. So what we'll do is we'll put you in a breakout room with the prosecutor and she'll speak with you about your cases, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just one moment.
Thank you.
You want me to go back to one, Mariah?
Yep, I'll always keep you in breakout room number 1. Okay, thank you. For Stephen Hansel,
How do I join?
you are joined in the meeting. What I need you to do is turn on your video. Are you on a phone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Start
So on
video.
your, yep, there you go. I can see you. Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine. How you doing?
Great. So Mr. Hansel, I have you here today. I just had you. Middle name is Douglas.
Yes, ma'am.
Is that correct? Okay. So I have you here on a driving while suspended charge. Did you want to speak with a defense counsel prior to speaking with the prosecutor?
No, I need help getting my license too. I don't need to talk to nobody.
Okay, so you'd like to speak with the prosecutor without defense counsel?
Yeah.
Okay. I will put you into a breakout room with her. You'll be speaking with Miss Manarino from Van Buren Township.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, just one moment. Back to 1, Angela.
Okay.
Thanks. And I will kick out the other defendant real quick. Just one moment. Okay, so Miss Holly, I'm going to just rename you here so we know who you are. I'm going to put you back into the waiting room and we'll have the judge in very shortly to put your plea on the record.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you were able to come to an agreement with the prosecutor?
Yes.
All right, wonderful. Okay, so just sit tight in the waiting room. It'll be just a few more moments, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, Miss Davis.
Yes.
Hi there. Your phone had frozen, so thank you for hopping back into the meeting. So did you want to speak with a defense attorney prior to speaking with the prosecutor today?
Yeah, I guess so.
You do? Okay. So our defense counsel will be in shortly. He's on another matter with another judge in our courthouse right now. So what I'm going to do is put you back into the waiting room. Go ahead and just stay there. And once he rejoins the meeting, we will put you in a breakout room with him to speak with him, okay?
Okay.
All right. Angela, Miss Davis requested MIDC.
Okay.
And you're good on a plea with Mr. Hansel?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna let the judge know we have a few pending and we'll get him in here for the record.
All right,
Thank you.
sounds good.
Thanks.
Yeah.
You're muted, Mariah.
Thank you, Angela. You can tell I don't do this often. Amanda, can I have your last name, please?
Bujek Phillips.
Okay, just one moment. And Ms. Bujak Phillips, what time were you scheduled for today?
9 a.m.
I see you. You're on a driving while suspended charge with the Township of Van Buren. Did you want to speak with a defense attorney prior to speaking with the prosecutor?
I mean, when would I be able to talk to them?
That would be today. We have them available today.
Just because of the fact that I have to be at work by 10. So that would be my only issue.
It's your option if you would like to speak with a defense attorney or if you would like to waive that and just speak with the prosecutor.
I'll just speak with the prosecutor then.
Okay, so if you can just hang out one moment.
Okay.
And I'll put you into a breakout room with the Van Buren prosecutor.
Okay.
Ms. Bujak Phillips, if I could have you just mute yourself and wait. We have the judge on the record. We'll put you into a breakout room shortly, okay?
Good morning,
Good morning,
ladies.
Judge.
Who's our first file?
Stephen Rourke.
That's not a good start. R-O-U-R-O-A. I got it.
ROA, yes. Scheduled at 8:30.
Yep, I got it.
Okay.
Morning, Mr. Rourke.
Good morning, sir.
How we doing today?
Good. How are you doing?
Better than I deserve. Thanks for asking. And what's our plea?
Not guilty.
Okay.
Just one moment, Judge. It looks like we've
I'm so,
lost the
I wasn't sure if I was.
prosecutor.
Sorry, I wasn't sure if I was supposed to answer or she was supposed to answer.
You're all right. You're fine.
Judge, are you doing arraignments this morning as well?
I could. I didn't think I was, but I'm happy to.
Okay, all right. Okay. Angela, we have Mr. Rourke in the meeting.
The judge called the case already?
Yes.
I did.
Judge called the case.
Okay. Angela Manning on behalf of the people. Your Honor, I had the opportunity to talk with Mr. Rourke this morning. The people are going to move to amend the driving while license not valid to a no operator's license on person and dismiss the civil infraction for driving without care.
Great, thank you. All right, Mr. Rourke, you understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on person is up to $500 fine plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail?
Yes, sir. I actually, I took care of everything. I have my license and, I'm not sure if that makes a difference.
I'm gonna guess that's probably part of the reason that Ms. Manarino is offering you this deal.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
All right, so you understand the possible penalty for the added charge, correct?
Yes, sir.
And generally speaking, you understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
And how do you want to plead to this new charge? The no valid operator's license.
Guilty.
All right, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on April 5, 2021?
Yes, sir.
And that at that time, did you have a license that was valid?
No, sir.
All right, I can accept your plea. I'll dismiss both the original charges that were issued to you on April 5th. I've got your address on Hip Street, is that right?
Yes, sir.
All right, 770-1030 is your phone?
Yes, sir.
All right, anything you want me to know before I set the terms of sentence?
No, sir.
All right, total fines and costs on your file, $500. I can just let you pay that within 30 days, or if you need payments, I'll give you a monthly payment plan.
Can I do a monthly payment plan?
Tell me how much and when you can start.
I can start paying this month and I could pay $150 a month.
All right, can you start this week or you want to go into June?
I could pay $150 today or this week.
All right, I'll give you until Friday, that's 28th. Anytime before, on or before Friday to start. If you're having any problems making those payments, contact us before you miss a payment. That way you can stop late fees and penalties.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Any questions?
No, sir.
You're all set. Enjoy your day.
You too, sir.
Judge, next case will be for, last name is Bledsoe, first of Jennifer at 8:50 a.m.
Good morning, Ms. Bledsoe.
Good morning.
Ms. Manarino, is this one yours too?
It is. Sir, I spoke with Ms. Bledsoe. We're going to amend the original charge to a no operator's license on person. Guilty of that.
Thank you very much. Ms. Bledsoe, do you understand the added charge of no operator's license on person carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail?
Yes.
Generally speaking, you understand your rights and options?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that added charge today?
Yes.
And are you doing so freely and voluntarily, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right, on April 6, 2021, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township without a valid license on your person?
I did.
I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charge. Showing your address on Hitchingham, is that correct?
Yes.
Do you have a phone number you can share with us?
Yes, 734-756-3360.
Thank you. Is there anything you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
No, I mean, I'm not working. My kids are just starting to go back to school from being virtual.
Okay, when's the last time you had a job?
It's been 4 months.
Okay.
I mean, I'm on unemployment, but I got like one check left.
Right.
So I've been trying to job search, but I also have to find a babysitter for my 2 young ones.
Sure. We'll work with you on the money. Anything
Thank you.
else?
No.
Okay, your total fines and costs on the file, $500. I can let you pay it in full within 30 days, or we'll just set you up with a monthly payment plan at whatever you can afford.
Okay, yeah, and the monthly plan is what I'll have
Sure.
to go with.
That's fine. How much can you pay and when can you start?
It'd be 2 weeks from Friday. And
So this Friday is the 28th, so we're gonna go to June 11th to start?
yeah, and I can start with like $50.
That's fine. You can
Okay.
always pay extra money or pay early money. If you're having any problems, contact us before you miss a payment.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Good luck with those kids.
You too. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Bye.
Mariah, if it helps you at all, I can remove the last person while you're bringing the next one in.
Hi.
Good morning, Miss Holly.
Good morning.
Miss Manorino.
Your Honor, I spoke with Miss Holly. We're going to amend the driving license to a no operator's license on person and move to dismiss the two civil infractions.
Thank you. Miss Holly, no
Yes, sir.
valid license on person carries a possible penalty. There's two misdemeanors. They're both being dismissed, registration and plate and DWS, Miss Manorino?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, the registration plate is dismissed. Yeah, that is being dismissed.
All right. All right. And the no proof of insurance looks like it's in default because it's over a year old. So give me the deal again.
I was going to have her plead to the no ops and dismiss the insurance and the plate misdemeanor.
All right. Miss Holly, if you remember, what happened that you missed your pre-hearing back in March of 2020? That's when this civil infraction went into default.
March of 2020,
Yes, ma'am.
we were COVID quarantine, and I was not aware of the court dates. My mail had stopped. It got very slow. I was basically unaware of it.
All right. I'll set aside the default on that one.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, Miss Holly, you understand the possible penalty for no valid operator's license on a person is up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs.
Yes, sir.
And generally speaking, you understand your rights and options.
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge of no valid operator's license on person?
Yes.
Ma'am, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on, what is that, February 3rd, 2020?
Yes.
And at that time, did you have a valid license on your person to show the officer that stopped you?
No, I didn't.
I'll accept your plea to that added charge. I'll dismiss all three of the original charges. Now, on the no proof of insurance, there is a $45 clearance fee. You're going to have to pay that one if you want to get your license straight with Secretary of State. Understood?
Okay. Yes, sir.
I've got your address on Wayside. Is that right?
Yes.
318-6430 is a good phone number.
Yes.
Is there anything you want me to know before I set the terms of your sentence today?
No, sir.
All right, ma'am. On the no valid operator's license on person, total fines and costs on that one, $600. If you want to get your license straight, it's $600 on that one and $45 on the civil infraction that was dismissed. I can do a due date within 30 days, or if you need a payment plan, we'll set you up with monthly payments. If you want monthly, just tell me how much you can pay and when you can start. I also there is a suspension fee on the plate charge too. So that's the $600 plus 90. Understood?
Yes. Is there any way I can set up a payment arrangement and start paying towards getting my license, because I do have to drive?
Yeah, as soon as, let me see what we got. Yeah, there's $135 worth of clearance fees. As soon as we get that first 135, we'll issue your clearances so you can get your license straight.
Okay. And I pay it at the court, sir?
Yes, ma'am. And as far as the total, how much you want to pay every month?
I can pay $200 to $250 a month until it's paid off.
Let's go small. You can always pay more if you want to.
Okay.
And when can you make that first payment?
I can pay the next first payment 2 weeks from Wednesday, a week from Wednesday.
All right, so Wednesday's the 26th, 2 weeks out is the 9th. I'm gonna go with the 11th of June because I like Friday due dates.
Okay.
Do you have
11th of
any
June.
questions, ma'am?
No,
Good luck. Any problems, let us know before you miss a due date.
I sure will.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Morning, Jeff.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Jeff, I have two cases pending for you.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm going to put you in breakout room number 3. That will
Can you
always
tell
be
me the
your,
name and the case number of these, the first individual?
yes. The first one is Sierra Davis. Last of Davis, she was scheduled at 8:40 a.m. She's in the waiting room right now. Again, I'll put you into breakout room number 3. That will always be your breakout room.
Yes, ma'am. Do we have a case number for Miss Davis?
Case number is 21VB00893.
And the offer is no ops on that, Jeff.
Which one are we ready for, Miss Mariah?
Last name is Hansel, scheduled at 9:10 a.m. Stephen
Thank you.
Hansel.
Mr. Hansel, are you there? You're muted, Mr. Hansel.
Oh, sorry about that. Good morning.
No problem. Good morning. Ms. Manarino.
Your Honor, we're going to move to amend the driving on a suspended license charge to a no operator's license on person. It's my understanding Mr. Hansel wants to plead guilty to that reduced charge.
Sir, no ops on person carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And generally speaking, you understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all that, are you pleading guilty to the charge, the added charge, freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
On April 15, 21, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township without a valid license to show the officer?
Yes, I did.
I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge of drove while license suspended. You're on Eureka Road still?
Yes, sir.
You got a good phone number we can put on the file?
Yes, the one I'm on. You need it?
Yeah, just give
Or
me the
this is
number.
still on file. 734-929-7808.
Thank you. Sir, is there anything you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
Yeah, you consider that I just had 2 kids and a job, so I'm in the process of trying to get my license back now.
Where you working at?
I breed exotic dogs as far as pocket bullies and French bulldogs. So
Okay.
that's where I was actually coming from when I got pulled over that day from selling a dog. So it wasn't like I was out joyriding or hot riding or nothing like that.
What do you need to get your license straightened out?
Actually, that's what I asked the prosecutor. I paid all my clearances and fees, and I sent in a notice to Lansing about 2 years ago to get my license back because it was originally suspended when I was like 17, like 10 years ago for fleeing and eluding. But I sent the hearing in, or sent the paperwork in for a hearing and never heard nothing back, and that was about 2 years ago.
Okay. I'm going to make a suggestion. You need to find an attorney that specializes in license restorations and talk to that attorney.
Yes, sir. That's what the prosecutor just told me.
Yeah,
too.
yeah, it's a complicated mess. All right, anything else, sir?
Oh, that's it.
Okay, on this file, your fines and costs are $500. Due date within 30 days, or I can set you up with a monthly payment plan.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I try to get it paid off within 30 days. I can just go right to the courthouse and pay it or send a money order or something.
Absolutely.
Okay, that's fine.
Any questions, sir?
No, not at all.
All right, Mr. Hansel, good luck. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
Judge, that concludes what we have ready at this time.
Thank you. I will await your message.
Thank you. Amanda, if you could unmute, I'll put you into that breakout room now with the prosecutor.
Okay, thank you.
Miss Griffin? For Willadetra Griffin?
Give me 1 second. I was helping my mom get in here.
Oh, sure, absolutely. If you could help her to turn on her audio, I'm sorry, her video as well.
Okay. Click this when you're ready to turn on the video.
You said click which one? Oh, the video.
Mm-hmm. You already unmuted.
Please, thank you. Oh, I think you every month. Oh my God, I'm so happy I got this one job. I can go burger
Amanda,
shop.
could you give me your last name one more time, please?
Bojack-Phillips.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, now, boy, you know you want all this. This all empty stuff.
Willetra Griffin, if you could turn on your video, please.
I gotta get out of here. Let me go.
Mariah, we're ready on Miss Davis.
We're not putting it on the record right now, Jeff. We're waiting until we get about 5 or 6 cases, then we'll call the judge back in.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So I have
And
the second one?
Your other case, they left the meeting. Last name was Brown, first name was Heaven.
Kevin with a K?
I'm sorry?
Kevin with a K?
No, Heaven. Heaven. Yes, Heaven.
Oh, all right.
Last name of Brown. I don't see her in the meeting at all. Miss Davis, I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. Just stay there until we have the judge ready to come in.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Miss Griffin?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what time you were scheduled for?
9:45.
Okay, thank you. And today, it looks like you are here on a driving while suspended with Van Buren Township. Did you want to
Yes.
speak with a defense attorney today, or would you like to speak directly to the prosecutor?
Directly to the prosecutor.
Okay. So Angela, I'll put you in breakout room number 1. Just one moment, Miss Griffin.
Okay.
All right, I gotta go.
Hi,
I gotta go.
Van
Something
Buren,
popped.
officer.
Yes,
Hi, good morning. What case are you here on?
I am waiting for Judge Martin. I'm here with Christian Thomas.
Okay, you are in Magistrate Hindman's Zoom meeting.
They have got our whole system all screwed up then, because on our end it's showing that it's Judge Martin's courtroom.
Oh, yes. No, this is Magistrate Hindman's courtroom. Do you
Joy.
need Yes, I'm so sorry.
No, that's. I'll just have to go through and try and figure out which one is Judge Martin's.
Can you see the meeting ID numbers?
I might be able to. What is her meeting ID number?
Her meeting ID is 580
580
707.
All right, I will exit out of this and try and find her room, because this is definitely labeled as her courtroom. Thank you. Sorry.
No, that's okay. That's fine.
I'm sure the judge is not going to be happy with me, but we'll explain.
Good luck, Champagne.
I gotta secure you to the bench and go grab somebody that's because I don't know which one's which.
I apologize for that interruption. I had a judge enter my office.
Hello?
Hi, good morning. For iPhone 2, can I have your name, please?
Josh. Man.
I'm sorry, your phone broke up there. What's the name?
Josh. Man.
Still can't hear you, sir.
Joshua, man. Can you hear me now?
Joshua Mann,
Yes.
M-A-N-N.
Yes, that is
Okay,
correct.
I see you here at 9:20. Mr. Mann, did you want to speak with a defense attorney or would you like to speak directly with the prosecutor?
Just directly with the prosecutor.
Okay. So, Mr. Mann, I'm going to rename you here so we know who this is. And then I'm putting you back into the, if you can just hang out here for one moment with me, we'll put you into a breakout room with the prosecutor when she's available.
Okay. And do I need my camera to be on?
Yes, you will have to turn on your camera.
Okay. All right. I was getting to my stopping point.
Yes, please make sure you pull over.
Yeah, no, that's what I was headed back home. I was on like the far side of my city. So I'm at the park right now.
Angela, if you could rejoin breakout room number 1, Joshua Mann has waived MIDC. Ms. Griffin, did you come to an agreement with the prosecutor?
Oh, yes, I did.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is put you back into the waiting room. You're going to wait there until the judge takes the bench, and then we'll put your plea on the record, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome.
Hello.
Hi, Andy. If you could please try and for LGK40, can I get a last name, please? Sir, you're muted. LGK40, I can't hear you.
How you doing? Can you hear me?
Hi, good morning. Yes, I can hear you now. Last name, please.
Calhoun, Calhoun.
And the first name?
Jamal, Jamal.
Okay. Jamal, did you want to speak with a defense attorney today, or would you like to speak directly with the prosecutor?
Only if I could ask the prosecutor questions, that's cool. I could do it myself.
Okay. I will put you into a breakout room with prosecutor for Van Buren Township.
Okay.
Just one moment. Mr. Mann, were you able to come to an agreement with the prosecutor?
I don't know if I talked to the prosecutor yet.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you go into the breakout room and speak with Miss Manorino?
Yes, I did.
Okay, so she was the prosecutor.
Oh, okay. I got you. Yeah,
Okay.
She said she'd give me something about double parking, and then I just said I could be on a payment plan.
Yes, yes, we do offer those here. What's going to happen next is we'll put you in front of the judge and he will take that plea from you and assess fines and costs. Until then, I'm just going to put you back into the waiting room, so don't leave the meeting. Just stay in the waiting room until we recall the case, okay?
Okay.
One moment. Angela, I'm going to call the judge back in.
Okay.
Mr. Calhoun, I'm just going to rename you so we know who you are to call the case, and then I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. The
Okay.
judge will take your plea on the record, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Davis, we're just waiting for the judge to join the meeting, and then we'll put your plea on the record, okay?
Okay.
Mariah?
Good morning, Judge. We have Sierra Davis up first. She is represented by MIDC.
Good morning, Mr. Bowditch. Good morning, Ms. Davis.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What are we doing today, Mr. Bowditch? Your appearance for Ms. Davis?
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Davis. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for a pretrial in this matter. Your Honor, is this also set for an arraignment today? Are these arraignment pretrials? We would waive formal reading, stand mute, ask the court to enter a not guilty plea. We've also had a chance to discuss this with the prosecutor. We have a plea agreement subject to court approval in which Ms. Davis would be pleading guilty to an added count of no operator's license on person, with the understanding the original charge would be dismissed.
Thank you. Ms. Davis, my understanding is you're pleading guilty to that added charge today?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for that charge after discussing it with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes.
You understand your rights and options?
Yes.
In understanding all of this, you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge. Is that correct?
Yes.
All right. Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on April 6, 2021?
Yes.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea to the added charge and dismiss the original charge. Outer Drive, still a good address for you?
Yes.
How about a phone number?
313-333-7958.
Thank you. Ms. Davis, is there anything you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
No.
You're still suspended?
Yes, I got a court date tomorrow, and then that's the end of
Good.
the court date.
Good luck tomorrow then. On this file, Ms. Davis, your fines will cost $500. I can give you a due date as long as you can pay it within 30 days, or we'll set you up with monthly payments. What do you want to do?
A monthly payments.
How much can you pay every month, and when do you want to start?
$100, and I can start tomorrow.
I'll give you until this Friday. That's 28th.
Okay.
Any questions?
No.
Good luck tomorrow. If you're having any problems with your payments, let us know before you miss one.
Okay, thank you.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Ron.
Thank you, Mr. Bowditch.
Judge, next case is Amanda Bujak Phillips. She was
Thank
scheduled
you.
at 9 a.m.
Good morning, Ms. Phillips.
Good morning.
Ms. Manarino?
Your Honor, people would move to amend the driving on a suspended license charge to no operator's license on person.
Thank you. Ma'am, do you understand the possible penalty for that added charge is up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand your rights and options?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on April 13, 2021 without a valid license to show the officer?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll accept your plea to the added charge and dismiss the original charge. I've got a Haggerty Road address. Is that a good address for you?
Yes, Your Honor.
How about a phone number for you?
734-673-3918.
3918?
Yes, sir.
Is there anything, thank you. Is there anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence today?
No, Your Honor.
Fines and costs on your file total $500. Can you pay that within 30 days or do you need a monthly payment plan?
May I please have a monthly payment plan, Your Honor?
Absolutely. Tell me how much you want to pay and when you can start.
I can do $100 starting June 1st.
All right, let's use June 4th because it's a Friday and I like Friday due dates.
Sounds good.
All right, any questions?
No, Your Honor.
If you're having any problems with payments, try to contact us before you miss one. That'll stop the late fees and penalties.
Yes, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Good morning, Ms. Griffin.
Good morning.
Ms. Manarino?
Your Honor, I spoke with Ms. Griffin. We're going to amend the driving on a suspended license charge to no operator's license on person.
Possible penalty for that charge, Ms. Griffin, is up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
You understand your rights and your options?
Yes.
And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle on September 15, 2018 in Van Buren Township without a valid license to show the officer?
Yes.
I will accept your plea to the added charge and I will dismiss the original charge. Got your address on Oakwood Street. Is that a good address, ma'am?
Oh, yes, it is.
You got a good phone number for us?
Yes, 313-784-2087.
Thank you.
You're
Anything you
welcome.
would like me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
No, that'll be all.
All right, fines and costs on your file total $600. Can you pay that within 30 days in full, or do you want a payment plan with a monthly payment?
Yes, I would like to do a monthly payment because I came in and paid the tickets already that I had
Good.
with the township. So yeah, I would like to go on a monthly plan with
How much can you pay every month and when do you want to start it?
I can pay $100 a month, and if you can give me until the second week of June.
Second Friday in June is the 11th. That work?
Yes.
You're sure?
Yes.
All right, if you're having any problems, let us know before you miss a payment. That'll stop late fees and penalties.
Okay, thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Thanks.
Judge, next case is Joshua Mann, scheduled at 9:20.
Good morning, Mr. Mann.
Good morning. How are you?
Wonderful. Miss Manarino.
Your Honor, we're going to move to amend the driving on a suspended license charge to double parking with a fine of $250.
Thank you. And I'm gonna bet, Mr. Mann, you want to take advantage of that.
Yes.
All right, I will accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original one. Can you pay that $250 within 30 days?
Could I break it up into payments?
Tell me how much you want to pay every month.
$25.
Can you do 40? If you can't, tell me.
I just bought a new house. I don't think I can, to be honest.
Okay, then let's do $50 every 2 months.
Okay.
When can you make the first one?
Probably at the middle of next month.
June 18th, a good start date?
Yes, that'll be fine.
Any questions, sir?
How would I be notified for my payments? Or would I just have to remember off the top of my head?
We'll send you a payment plan.
Via email or paper?
How do you want it?
Email would be fine.
Mariah, we can do that, can't we?
We can do that, Mr. Mann. We will also send you text messages. So we will enroll you in our text message program. You will receive a text message 5 days prior to the payment being due.
Okay. And then
We have your email address.
JMANN119@iCloud.com.
All right, let me have a good phone number.
313-471-4406.
And Stricker's a good address?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay. Mariah, we need anything else?
Yes, the phone number that you gave, is that the phone number you'll want to receive your text messages on?
Yes.
Okay, all right.
You're all set, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Last case we have for this round, Judge, is Jamal Calhoun, also scheduled at 9:20.
Good morning, Mr. Calhoun.
Good morning, sir. How you doing?
Wonderfully, thank you. Miss Manarino.
Your Honor, people would move to amend the driving on a suspended license charge to no operator in person.
Mr. Calhoun, do you understand that the added charge carries a possible penalty of up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines, plus court costs?
You say, do I understand that?
Correct.
Yes. No, I did not. No, I didn't. No.
You don't understand it?
No, that what I did can lead up to 90 days. And okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, Judge, I understand.
Okay. And do you understand your rights and options?
Yes.
Understanding all that, are you pleading guilty to that added charge today?
What am I getting charged with again, sir?
The added charge, no valid operator's license on person. That's the deal you made with the prosecutor.
Yes.
All right.
I have no license.
Okay. On April 15, 2021, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
And at that time, you had no valid license, correct?
Yes.
All right. I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. We're showing your address on Saddleback. Is that correct?
Yes.
Got a good phone number for us?
Yes. You ready? 734-858-9073.
Thank you. Anything else you would like me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
I'm getting sentenced?
Correct.
I'm sorry. I'm getting sentenced to go to jail?
No, fines and costs.
Okay. Yeah, I had a question about the cost, how they come up to 500.
Well, yours haven't come up to anything yet.
Oh, okay, cool.
The maximum penalty is up to $500 plus court costs.
Oh, okay. Okay, cool.
So there's a state misdemeanor tax that gets assessed of $50. There's a state victims fund fee of $75 that gets assessed. There's a $20 court fund fee. All these things can add up to more than the $500 fines. So it's fines up to $500 plus court costs and or 90 days in jail.
Okay.
I'm not doing jail on this file.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Anything else you want me to think about?
Is it okay to say I just paid off some of my tickets in Detroit?
Absolutely. You can tell me anything you want me to. Anything you want me to
Okay.
know.
Yeah, I just paid like 4 or 5 tickets off the whole paper.
All right. So,
The city of Detroit. For,
so do you have anything else you have to clean up before Secretary of State gives you your license back?
I have a warrant they said in Highland Park that I need to go check on. And because there's
Okay.
something we was both confused. I'm like, I don't know how I got it, I would have solved it. But she was just like, yeah, just figure out what's the warrant for at Highland Park.
Okay.
And
Good luck there
that's pretty
then.
much it because I'm trying to, all the stuff going on besides that, I'm still looking for better job, better work, and I'm trying to clear up my license. That's why
Right.
I went ahead and paid off that money down there. And when I paid off the last ticket I had in Rumless, it was like 178, and I just did that like probably like last month too also. So I'm working in the process of getting my license. I ended up getting the ticket.
Okay.
I went through a light, had to use the bathroom. I got
Sure.
the cop or whatever, and he was like, "Man, I understand." And I'm like,
Yeah.
"Yeah, what I did was wrong," and yeah. So I'm trying to find a way to clear him up.
So when's the last time you worked?
I work every day, sir.
Oh, where are you working at? I thought you said you were looking for work.
No, I said no. That's what I'm talking about, like driving jobs.
Oh, I
What I'm saying?
got
I
you.
don't want
I
to.
got
Yeah,
you.
I don't want
Where
to
do
be
you work
working on
at
my
now?
feet. Constructor steel. I'm Michigan Avenue out here in Belleville, or if
Full time?
Full time, sir.
How long you been there?
3 months.
What are they paying you?
16.
All right. Get your license straight. I just heard about a job yesterday. It's down in Ohio. So it's just into Ohio. It's a steel place.
That's
They don't
what I
have
do right now.
anybody. They don't have anybody in the shop that's not making at least 80 grand a year, and they work 4-hour or 4-day weeks. They
Really?
work 4 12s. Every day they get 4 hours of overtime, full
Mhm.
benefits, Blue Cross, Blue Shield.
Mm-hmm.
It's a fantastic job. They've got guys down there, unskilled labor, that are making $100,000 a year with their overtime.
What?
Holiday pay, they work 7 days a week. Holiday pay is 2.5 times your wage.
Wow. See, that's what I'm looking for because I ain't got no kids, so I'm taking the
Right, so-
opportunity.
And $2 an hour shift premium for midnights.
Wow, and that's my type
Right.
of job.
All right, so listen to me. Get your license straight and you find me. Come to the court. You're a Rymos guy. I'll get you a contact for that place. That's not
Okay.
bad. That's like 20, 30-minute drive.
Oh, I'm with it. I'm with it
All
for
right,
it.
get your license straight, and then you come to the court and tell them you're looking for me because I'm going to tell you about that steel plant in Ohio.
Gotcha. I'm about to write your name down, Judge.
All right.
Oakley, right? Is it
Yep.
pronounced right? Okay.
Yep.
Thank you
But
for that.
obviously you got to get your license straight.
Oh yeah, I'm working on it. I'm in the
All right.
process.
And listen to me. They can't hire enough guys.
Mm-hmm.
The guy I heard about it is older than me, and he's working 6 days a week because they can't find help.
Wow. It's weird because by you saying that's a steel plant, I work in the steel plant. So and we're short, and I'm like, and they said something about, yeah, we got another company across there. They short,
The lowest wage in this plant is $26 an hour.
Oh yeah, that's Judge. Oh yeah, it's a blessing that I did this.
All right. So you get your license straight. You come up and bang on the doors and tell security that you're looking for a number from me.
I will.
All right.
I sure will. Yes, sir.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
Judge, you say they're hiring old men. Can I get some information?
Actually, this guy's management, Jeff, he's been down there forever, and he lives next to my sister's place on the lake. He don't want to be working 6 days a week.
Yeah. They're out there.
Yeah. Yeah. There's some pretty good jobs out there.
Judge, did you assess fines and costs on that?
$500.
Okay.
You know what? I didn't get his payment plan information though.
Okay. I'll call
But we
him.
got his phone number.
Yep, I'll
We got
give
his
him a
phone
call.
number. Yep. And actually, I don't think I did tell him that because he threw me off with a question about how I reached my cost. So yeah, it's $500 to set up his payment plan.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Judge. That's all we
All right.
have for you at this moment.
I'm watching the phone for the text message.
Thank you. For Bowles Patterson, can you
Hello,
give
good
me?
morning.
Hi, good morning.
Hello.
The name that you're appearing under?
Yes, Azura Bowles Patterson.
What time were you scheduled for?
9:30. So I was just waiting to speak with someone. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. Court appointed attorney.
Okay, so you're requesting MIDC.
Yes. Please.
Okay, just one moment. I will put you into a breakout room with the defense counsel, okay?
Thank you.
Mariah, could I get a name and a case number on this young lady?
Case number is
Hello.
19-2511. 19-2511. Last
Yes,
name
ma'am.
is hyphenated Bowles Patterson.
First name?
Azura,
Jura.
AJURA.
AJURA. And you will be back in breakout room number 3, Jeff.
And Jeff,
Thank you, ma'am.
the offer is double parking. It's $250.
150?
250.
250. All right. Thank you, Angela.
You're welcome.
For Gonzalez. Brian Gonzalez.
Yes.
Hi, Mr. Gonzalez. Just locating you here today. What time were you scheduled for?
9:50.
I see you here. Yes. Were you requesting to speak with a defense attorney today, or would you like to speak directly with the prosecutor?
Speak Spanish, please. No, he's gonna speak direct with the prosecutor.
He wants to speak directly to the prosecutor?
That's correct.
Okay. All right. It will be just one moment, and I'll put you into a breakout room with the prosecutor, okay?
Okay, thank you.
One moment. Angela, did you hear the name on this one? Oh.
Hello? I can't hear you.
I do apologize. I was muted there. Did you speak with the defense counsel already?
No, I've been sitting in the waiting room.
Okay. I do apologize for that. I did not realize that you were still in the breakout room.
Yes.
Okay. So you will be the very next person that we do. And again, I do apologize for your wait. It'll be just a few moments.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm. I'm just going to mute you at this time and leave you in the main meeting so we don't lose you again. And as soon as the defense counsel is available.
Okay, thank you.
Yep. Ms. Manarino, were you able to come to an agreement with Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Mr. Gonzalez, we're going to put you right back into the waiting room. Just wait there until the judge takes the bench again, and we'll bring you back in to put your plea on the record.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, yep. For Connor Joslin,
Yes.
hi Connor, good morning.
Good morning.
What time you were scheduled for?
11.
Okay.
I thought I joined Alan Hinman's room, not yours.
This is Magistrate Hindman's room, yes, it is. I don't see you on my docket for today. Is that the name that it would be registered under? The one you have on the screen?
Yes.
Last of Jocelyn?
Yes. It tells me Monday 5/24 at 11:20.
11:20. Okay, I was looking under 11. I'm sorry. And so what I'm going to do is put you into the waiting room. This is a Huron Township case. Huron Township prosecutor is not in our meeting yet because your case is not scheduled till later. But I'm just going to ask you, did you want to speak with a defense attorney on your case, or did you want to speak directly to the prosecutor?
Straight to the prosecutor.
Okay. So I'll put you back in the waiting room, or you can leave the meeting now and join back. The first case for Huron is not scheduled until 11 a.m. So the prosecutor probably won't be in our meeting until much before that.
Okay.
So if you'd like to join the meeting back closer to 11, maybe like 10:30, 10:45, and we could potentially take care of the case then.
Okay.
Okay, I am making a note though that you did join early. So we know you were there.
Thank you.
Thank you. Mr. Bowditch, I have Miss Brown. I'll put you back in breakout room number 3 with her. She requested MIDC, first name Heaven, last name Brown.
Case
And
number?
let me get back to that. Case number is 21VB00858A and B.
Thank you, ma'am. Miss Manarino, any sort of deal on this one?
Yeah, allowing and dismiss the civil infraction.
Thank you. Miss Brown?
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Jeff, you're not in the breakout room yet. If you want to wait just a moment, I need to return Mr. Bowles Patterson.
All right.
All right, just one moment. I'm placing Miss Brown in there now. If you'd like to move to the room.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Mr. Bowles Patterson, I'm going to put you back into the waiting room.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, I'm sorry, miss. I apologize for that. I'll put you back in the waiting room, and then when the judge is ready to take the bench, we'll put your plea on record, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Bowditch, did you have enough opportunity to speak with your client?
I have two clients, Mariah. They're both ready. Miss Brown and Miss Bowles Patterson. They're both ready.
Okay, so Judge is making his way back up to the courtroom at this time. He will be on the bench very shortly. So we're going to take Miss Brown very first. She's been here. She got kind of lost in our technological jungle here. So we will take her case first.
Thank heaven.
Yes. Good one.
I'm going to mute and make some noisy coffee, and then when the judge is ready, I'll be ready.
Okay.
Mariah,
Yes.
remind me later, I want to fill you in on something.
Okay.
And Miss Brown, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Bowditch, are you representing Miss Brown?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or throw it on my desk, either one. Your appearance, please.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Brown. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for arraignment, waive formal reading, stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this, Your Honor. Ms. Brown wishes to plead plead guilty to an added count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive her vehicle with the understanding the original charge would be dismissed.
Is that correct, Miss Brown?
Yes, sir.
You understand the possible penalty for that added charge today?
Yes.
And you've gone over your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge today?
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on April 5, 2021 while you did not have a valid license to show the officer?
Yes.
And Mr. Bowditch, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
I'll accept your plea, Miss Brown. I'll dismiss both the original charges. We're showing your address on Fairfax. Is that correct, ma'am?
No, sir. I've moved since then.
New address.
10060 Fairview. It's one word.
Hold on. You went from Fairfax to Fairview?
Yes. Same
Gotta
city.
love that. That's still in Taylor then.
Yes.
How about a phone number?
734-231-8325.
Thank you. Is there anything you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence today?
Nope.
All right, ma'am, fines and costs on your file, $500. I can let you just have a due date if you can pay it within a month, or I'll set you up with monthly payment plan, which works for you.
I can do the month.
Pay it within a month?
Yep.
Any questions?
No.
You are all set.
Thank you, Ms. Brown.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Bowditch.
Judge, next is Bowles Patterson, also with MIDC.
Thank you. Mr. Bowditch, your appearance.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Ms. Bowles Patterson. Your Honor, today's the date and time set for arraignment. We would stand mute and waive the formal reading of the charges. We've also had a chance to speak with the prosecutor about this matter. At this time, Ms. Bowles Patterson would be wishing to take the advantage of the mercy of the prosecutor, plead responsible to an added count of double parking with the understanding her original charge would be dismissed.
Was there a fines and costs agreed upon?
Yes, Your Honor, $250.
All right. Ms. Bowles Patterson, is that your agreement?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor, it is.
I will accept your plea of responsible to the double parking, fines and costs, $250. Can you pay that within 30 days?
No, sir, I am in the process of moving. May I please have a payment arrangement?
Sure. How much per month and when can you start?
I can start with 25 for sure. That's a guaranteed payment I can make until I can pay more.
All right. I need to do a $40 monthly payment. If you can't do that every month, then we'll do every 2 months.
Okay, every 2 months works. I can
Starting
definitely.
when?
And I definitely do plan on paying it off. It's just this apartment, the fees are a lot during this time, so.
When can you start?
I can start next month on the 11th.
You're all set. Oh, let me confirm some information.
Thank you, sir.
Perry Street is the old address. Do you know the new one yet?
I do not know the new one just yet, but I will make sure I do update you guys.
Please
when I
do.
get-
And your phone number, 547-5848?
You can call 734-373-4325. Since we're moving, things may, be complicated.
All right. Is that a number we can text you a reminder about your payments?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Good luck on the move.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Have a great one.
Is
Next will be
Gonzalez
Byron.
yours too?
It is not.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez.
Good morning.
And Ms. Manarino, I've got a defaulted limited access speed that goes with this one.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, if we can dismiss that, I'd like to do that as part of the resolution. We were going to amend the original charge to no ops, and Mr. Gonzalez is going to plead to that.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, it looks like this speeding ticket went into default because you missed a court date. Looks like the court date was originally scheduled for January 11 of this year, the 21st. Do you remember why you missed that court date?
Yes, Your Honor. I was not feeling well and I thought I got the COVID, so I was just scared to go anywhere, sir. But I'm not willing to do anything. I want to pay the ticket. I want to be straight with my license.
All right, I'll set aside the default on this one. There is a you're welcome, sir. There is a $45 clearance fee I am not going to waive, so you'll have to pay the 45 before you can get your license straightened out.
No problem, Your Honor. I can pay right now. I can pay with the credit card.
All right. And I understand you've talked to the prosecutor, and as to the misdemeanor charge, you're going to plead guilty to no valid operator's license on person. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
That does carry a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand your rights and your options, Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on October 7, 2020?
Yes, I did.
And at that time, did you have the proper cycle endorsement or were you unlicensed?
I had my license, but it was not with me, Your Honor. That's why I don't have
Okay.
to show.
I can accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charges in keeping with your agreement with the prosecutor. We're showing your address on West Michigan Avenue, is that right?
Yes, Your Honor.
And a phone number 458-7004?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gonzalez, is there anything else you would like me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
No, Your Honor.
Sir, I'm going to assess fines and costs totaling $600 on this file. If you can pay it within 30 days, that's great. If you need a payment plan, we can set you up with monthly payments.
We can pay right now, Your Honor. I gotta put in my credit card.
All right, understand if you pay it on your credit card, there will be some extra fees assessed because there's a third-party vendor that processes those payments.
Can I send a check to
Sure.
Your Honor?
I'll just have you pay it within 30 days. That gives you plenty of time to get that done.
I appreciate it, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Good luck.
All right, as far as the total, they're gonna show me where to send the money and everything?
Yeah, the total would be $645. I can give you an address right now if you want. Did I lose you?
No, Your Honor, I'm here. So 645, the total. What is the address?
11129 South Wayne Road, Romulus, Michigan, 48174.
11129 South Wayne Road.
Yes, sir.
How much?
Your audio's cutting out, Mr. Gonzalez.
Can you just repeat, sir, just to make sure I got it?
11129 South Wayne Road. That's WAYNE. That's in Romulus. Zip code 48174.
I got it, sir. Thank you.
All right. Have a nice day.
That's all we have at this time, Judge.
Thank you.
Yep.
Mariah, can I talk to Jeff real quick?
Absolutely.
Jeff, you there?
Yes,
You
Your
need a
Honor.
breakout room, Judge?
No. Hey,
Okay.
Jeff,
Yes, Your Honor.
I was not making a notation on the files about which one you had represented. Can you either do it through the chat function or give Paula a call when you get a chance and let her know which defendants you've represented so far, and then I'll try to get better in the future and make a note on the file.
Yes, Your Honor. What's Paula's number so I can call her?
Extension 205, the 4463.
Yes.
Thanks.
Extension
205.
205. Yes, Judge.
Mr. Singleton? Travis Singleton? Hi, Mr. Singleton? Travis Singleton? Enable your audio. Okay, Mr. Singleton, good morning.
Good morning.
So I have you here today with Van Buren on a driving while license suspended charge. Did you want to speak with a defense attorney or would you like to speak directly to the prosecutor?
He doesn't need to talk to an attorney because I'm moving to dismiss that charge.
Oh, okay.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
So Mr. Singleton, I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. Once we have a few more ready to go on record, we'll bring the judge into the meeting and he'll take that dismissal, okay?
Okay, thanks a
So
lot.
just, yep, stay in the waiting room. When you come back into the main meeting, just make sure your audio and your video are on.
Okay, okay.
All right, a few moments. Mr. Walls? Mr. Thomas Walls? Mr. Walls, I can see you, but I cannot hear you. Mr. Walls, I just sent you a chat. We can see you, we can't hear you.
Okay. Can you see me?
Suzanne Hayes?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Okay.
Can you see me?
I can hear you. I cannot see you.
Okay. Here. How do I start the video? Give me 1 second.
Sure.
There we go. Is that better?
Yes. Now I can see you. There is a light behind you. Could you maybe? Are you on? Yeah. There you go. The judge will want to be able to see you.
Most definitely. Can you see me? Is this okay?
Yeah. Much better. Much better.
Oh, wait. I tried to raise my brightness. There we go. Cool.
Okay, Mr. Haynes, you're here today in front of Van Buren for a driving while suspended charge. Did you want to speak with a defense attorney or would you like to speak directly to the prosecutor?
I really do just want to plead guilty and just of course pay it off and get it handled out the way. So whatever is the best course of action about that, I would rather do.
If you have any questions at all, you can always speak with the defense attorney. They are available here to speak with you today.
I wouldn't mind giving it a quick talk. I wouldn't mind. Thank you.
Okay. Just one moment then, Mr. Bowditch.
Yes, ma'am.
I will put you into breakout room number 3 with Mr. Tazan Hayes. Case number is 21 VB 00639. Spelling on the last name Haynes. First name is Tezhan.
Thank you, ma'am.
And the offer is no obstruct.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're
Okay,
welcome.
Mr. Haynes, one moment.
Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Is that Sade Jennings?
Sade.
Sade. Thank you so much for correcting me. I'm sorry if I butchered it.
No, it's fine. You did better than
Okay. Miss Jennings, I have you here today for a Van Buren case for driving while license suspended. Did you want to speak with a defense counsel, or I'm sorry, a defense attorney, or did you want to speak directly to the prosecutor?
I think just to I guess it doesn't really matter. I don't think. Or does it?
Well, it's up to you. It's an option for you. I also need you to enable your video.
Okay.
There you go. Yes, so it's definitely up to you. You can choose to speak with a defense attorney today, or you can choose to waive that right today.
Yeah, I'll just waive it.
Okay. Then I will be putting you into a breakout room with Miss Manarino, who is the prosecutor for Van Buren Township.
Okay.
Okay. Mr. Walls, can you please unmute?
Mute.
Okay, I can hear you now, Mr. Walls, but now I need to be able to see you. Can you enable your video?
You know, this is my first time using this. I'm trying.
Are you on a phone or are you
Hold
on
on,
a?
it says start video. There we
you
go.
are. I can see you and
How you
hear you
doing?
now. You got
Okay,
it.
that's
I'm
excellent.
good. So, Mr. Walls, today you're here. You have 3 charges open and pending, 2 civil infraction charges, speeding and registration plate. And then you have a driving while suspended charge out of Van Buren. Did you want to speak with a defense attorney today, or would you like to waive that right today?
Yeah, I probably would want to speak to a defense attorney.
Okay, so Mr. Walls, I'm just going to have you stay right there.
Okay.
And as soon as he's available, I will be putting you into a breakout room with Mr. Bowditch, who is doing our defense counsel today.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Miss Jennings?
Yes.
I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. We'll
Okay.
have you wait there until the judge retakes the bench and calls your case, okay?
Thank you.
Yep.
Am I supposed to do something?
Nope, you're just going to wait there until the defense attorney is available. He's speaking with another client right now.
That's fine.
Mr. Bowditch, I do have another client for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Last name is Walls, W-A-L-L-S. First name is Thomas, common spelling.
Yes, ma'am.
Case numbers 19-2119, 19V003605A and B.
Is there a deal, Ms. Manarino?
Mariah, what's the A file on that? I don't have it on my docket.
The A file is speeding 1 to 5 over.
Okay.
It looks like it's in review status, so I'm wondering if he is set on a payment plan on it. Do you have a moment for me to check that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay. Looks like it went through show cause here at the court. And the registration plate violation is the misdemeanor charge. It is not the civil infraction.
Right. Okay. So Jeff,
yeah, sorry, go ahead.
So Jeff, on Mr. Walls, if he pleads guilty to the driving on a suspended license, I would dismiss that second misdemeanor for the registration plate.
That's a prosecutor talking, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to interrupt. I just wanted to know.
Oh, no. You and I are going to
Okay,
talk privately in just a second, Mr. Walls.
Okay. So you're willing to dismiss what?
You'll talk to your attorney when you go into the breakout room about what the offer is.
Okay. Okay, that's cool. But I would like to know what did you just offer me?
Mr. Walls, let's go into a breakout room where we can talk privately.
Oh, okay.
I'm assigning you now.
I'm sorry. I'm new to this. I apologize.
You're fine. We have plenty of time to talk.
Yep.
Okay.
One moment.
All right.
Mr. Hayes,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. When the judge retakes the bench, he will recall your case. So just wait in the waiting room until he recalls your case, okay?
Most definitely. I'll play with my dogs till then. Thank you.
Right. Thank you. Angela, how is this working for you today?
Fine.
Is it better or same as normal process or worse?
No, I think it's about the same.
About the same. Okay.
Yeah.
All
It's
right.
probably a little easier for the judge, but
It is.
because it's not as much, sitting and waiting for him, but yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, good morning, Miss Lawson. Can you please enable your video for me?
So this is an accident. Enable the video.
Are you on a phone or are you on a personal computer?
Continue. Here we are. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, yes.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so I am actually doing this for my brother. I'm getting him set up, and I'm sorry I entered at the wrong time. He has his time is scheduled for 10 after 11. So I was just trying to, right, I was just trying to get him set up.
Okay, so he is for a Huron Township case, I'm going to imagine. What is his last name?
Meeks, M-E-E-K-S.
Okay. So
I was just trying to make sure. Just trying to make sure he was able to get on and have access. He's just waiting for his attorney as well.
Okay, so he retained attorney?
Yes.
Did his attorney submit an appearance with us? I don't have that on my record.
Ivan Land.
Okay, we can always put it on when he is, when he goes on the record. The judge can take that appearance. Yeah, I don't show that we've received anything from defense counsel at all. But I'm going to make a note of that for the judge to so that we don't proceed without your defense counsel.
Awesome, thank you. And then he will return at the correct time. I just wanted to make sure he had no trouble.
Okay, absolutely. And Miss Lawson, do you know how to change the name to state your brother's name?
That's what I was gonna do. I just wanted to get the picture and the name out of there. Let's see. I kind of suck at this, but I'm better than my brother. So let me just see. Hold on one second. So
when you first enter the meeting, it's going to ask you for a name. It's auto-filling with your name already because you've used Zoom before. But on that first page, if you just type over your name with his name, then we'll be able to find him quickly.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
I'm sorry for the interruption.
It's not. I'm so glad that you stopped in to make sure. We appreciate
That was good. Okay,
Yes.
thank you.
All right, we'll see you back here.
Okay, bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Mariah?
Yes.
Glenn McCandless just called my office and said he was running late. I don't know why he's calling my office. Do you know what case he's on?
Who is that?
Glenn McCandless. He apparently he's on one of my Van Buren cases this morning.
Let me check the docket real quick. Yes, at 10:20, he was on with Michael Hannock.
Okay, I'll call him right now, I guess, and find out what he's doing and why he's not, when he's gonna get on, I guess.
Okay.
All right, I'll call him right now.
Okay. Okay, for iPhone?
Yes.
What is your name?
Altravis Turner.
What happened to Princess? Princess Gonzalez is going to be a plea too. She was a 414 number that
Turn
was
this
showing
down.
up.
Minus. Okay. I'm Altravis Turner.
Okay.
I've been trying to get on here and the computer. Finally, they both pop up at the same time.
Well, you got it. What time are you scheduled for?
I looked in the thing, it said 8:50, but the paperwork said 10:40.
What's that? At least there's not like 30 people waiting.
Ms. Turner, if you could turn that off or mute that, please.
Okay. Ariel, I need you to mute this. How do you mute this? Oh, I did it.
Okay, great. Okay, Altravis, did you want to speak with a defense attorney today, or would you like to speak directly to the prosecutor?
I'm not sure. I guess I speak to an attorney. That's fine.
Okay. So our attorney right now that we have on is Mr. Bowditch. He is actually in with another client. As soon as he gets out, we will put you into the breakout room with him.
Okay, now this is for which case? I'm sorry. This is for the assault and battery?
Nope, this is out of Van Buren Township. It's a driving while license suspended.
Okay.
Angela, this is, last name is Turner, Altravis Turner.
Okay, and she's gonna talk to.
She wants to speak with Jeff, yeah.
And I called Mr. McCandless, he didn't answer.
Okay.
Maybe he's gonna hop on, I'm not sure.
Okay, I did make a note of that he called you, said he would be late.
Okay.
So Ms. Turner, I'm just going to rename you here so that it's easier for us when the judge comes on to call your case, okay?
Okay.
And then if you would just hang out there, just wait. I'm going to mute you. Do you know how to unmute yourself?
Yes, I see it.
Okay. Okay, great. And then when defense counsel is ready, I'll put you into a breakout room with him, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yep, one moment. All right, for Megan June. Megan June.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi there.
What time are you scheduled, Miss June?
It was 10 o'clock. I kept getting kicked out for some odd reason.
Well, you're here now, so that's good.
I was freaking out.
Okay. Am I saying your last name correctly? Is it June or is it Dunn?
It's done.
Dunn. Okay, I apologize for that. Miss Dunn, I have you down here for one civil infraction, a failure to yield, and also a driving while suspended in Romulus.
Yes.
Did you want to speak with a defense attorney, or would you like to speak directly to the prosecutor?
I guess it'd probably be beneficial to speak to an attorney, I would assume, maybe.
Okay. So Miss Dunn, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you, well, I'm just going to have you sit there and ask you to mute yourself.
Okay.
And then when he's available, we will put you into a breakout room with the defense attorney, okay?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, just one moment. Mr. Bowditch, I do have an Altravis Turner. She is ready. She would like to speak with you. Last name is spelled Turner. First name is spelled Altravese. Just one moment. She was scheduled early this morning, so I lost her on my docket. Her case number is 20-0589.
Thank you, ma'am.
The offer on that, Jeff, is no ops.
Thank you, ma'am.
Mr. Walls, I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. Please wait patiently there. As soon as the judge is ready to retake the bench, we'll recall your case, okay?
Okay, that's no problem.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Turner, unmute yourself. Oh, you did, I see. And I'm putting you into a breakout room with the defense attorney, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, great. Thank you. Miss Turner, I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. We'll ask you to just wait there, and as soon as the judge retakes the bench, he will call your case, okay?
Okay, thank
All
you.
right, thank you. Jeff, I have one more for you. Oh, Judge, are you ready to do some cases?
I'm ready unless you want to give Jeff one more.
I do have one more for him, and that's all we
Sure.
have. Okay. One more. The last name is Dunne, D-U-N-N-E. First name is Megan, M-E-G-A-N. And she is here on case numbers 21VB 00453 A and B.
Thank you, ma'am. Ms.
Okay.
Manarino, any deals on this one?
Yeah, the offer is no opt to dismiss the civil infraction.
Thank you, ma'am. I'll go in a breakout room.
Miss Dunn, just one moment and I'll be moving you to a breakout room with your attorney.
Hey, Mariah,
Yes,
I'm assuming I can handle no-shows the same way I do on my pretrial dockets?
yes, I will bring you that information
What information?
on who failed to appear. Or if Paula is
I'm
keeping
just
track.
going through them. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm just going down the docket, and if I still got their file, that means we haven't seen them yet.
Okay. We do
As
have
far
one
as-
judge.
Sorry?
We do have one from this morning. Last name is Turner. And she was scheduled at 8:50. Eltravis Turner,
Yep.
and she's in our waiting room now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Mhm. Good morning, Caitlin.
Good morning.
Good morning. So we're doing things a little differently today on Al's docket, or Magistrate Hindman's docket. Judge Oakley will be taking the pleas and putting them on the record. What we've done this morning with Van Buren is just take, get maybe 5 or 6 pleas ready to go on the record, then the judge will join us. Other than that, the process is all exactly the same.
Okay, wonderful.
Okay, and I'll have you in breakout room number 2. That will be your all-time breakout room today.
Sounds good.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, Mariah, Bledsoe, Jennifer Bledsoe. Did we do that one? I don't remember the name. Or did you adjourn that one maybe?
Nope, we did do that one. $500 for no
Okay.
ops. Monthly payment plan to start 6/11,
Thank you.
$50 per month. You're welcome.
You have adjourned some though, haven't you?
No, we haven't adjourned anything on my docket, Judge.
Okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
Judge Oakley?
Yes.
As we're waiting for Mr. Bowditch to finish with his last client, would you like to start with those that you can handle with Miss Manarino?
Sure.
Okay, great. First one will be Travis Singleton.
I will find that file. Good morning, Mr. Singleton.
Morning.
Miss Manarino, what's the deal for Mr. Singleton?
Your Honor, we move to dismiss the charge against Mr. Singleton.
Mr. Singleton, I'm going to guess that's okay with you.
Yes.
All right, great. I've also got a civil infraction. Looks like you're on a payment plan.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So this case is dismissed. Any questions?
So with the case being dismissed, that means the payment plan is still active, or?
Yeah, the payment plan, according to my information, is on a civil infraction, failed to signal or observe.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? Okay. And that one, it looks like there's still $200 due.
Okay. Well, that's fine. That works.
All right. Good luck.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Right. Anybody else, Mariah?
Yes, we do have a few others. Let me just make sure that this one does not have MIDC.
Sure.
Ready, Your Honor.
Mr. Bowditch, we will call in Sade Jennings. I'm sorry, Jennings is the last name.
Is that a new one? Because I haven't.
No, that is
Miss
not.
Jennings.
That is not. Just one moment. We're just putting her plea on the record.
All right, that's not one of mine.
Good morning, Miss Jennings.
Good morning.
Miss Manarino, what's the plea?
Your Honor, we would amend the driving on a suspended. Oh, I'm sorry, there is no offer on this one, Your Honor.
Okay, so Miss Jennings, you're charged with drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied, a misdemeanor charge that is punishable by up to 93 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes.
All right, you understand your rights and options?
Yes.
Okay, so the prosecutor's not willing to make an offer on this. That means you can plead guilty, or you could plead not guilty and either get the advice of your own attorney or speak to a court-appointed attorney. Do you understand those options?
Yes.
You could also set this case for trial. You understand all that?
Yes.
What would you like to do today, ma'am?
I guess talk to an attorney.
All right, you want to hire your own, or you want to talk to the court-appointed attorney that's available today?
Court appointed.
Okay.
Okay.
Ms. Jennings, I'm going to put you back into the waiting room, and we'll get you in with the attorney as soon as we're finished with these, please.
Okay.
Next case, last name is Haynes, first of Tazon.
Ready, Your Honor.
That one's yours, Jeff?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, your appearance.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Haynes. Your Honor, today's date and time set for arraignment. We waive formal reading, stand mute. We've also had a chance, Your Honor, to pre-try this case. We do have an agreement in which Mr. Haynes, with court approval, would be pleading guilty to an added count of no operator's license on person, with the understanding the original charge would be dismissed.
Thank you, Mr. Haynes. Is that true?
Yes, sir, it is.
You understand the possible penalty for that added charge?
Yes, sir.
And you understand your rights and options after discussing those with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all that, you're going to plead guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge?
Yes, sir.
All right, March 2nd, 2021, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township while you did not have a valid license to show the officer?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge, sir. I've got your address on International Drive, is that right?
Yes, 2831 1830.
Correct.
Yep.
Correct. Phone number 325-5399.
734 is the area code. Yes.
Yes, sir. Anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
No, sir.
All right. Your fines and costs are $550. Can you pay that within 30 days, or do you need a payment plan?
I can pay that today, sir.
Understand if you pay it online, there's going to be some extra fees.
Is there any way I could pay it across with you or anybody on the Zoom call today, sir? Would I be able to do it across the Zoom call today, like pay it now, like with somebody?
No, the only option I can give you is you can go to our website and do it on the website, through the website with a credit card or debit card, but that costs you extra fees. If I just say pay it within 30 days, you can drop off a money order, mail a money order, actually bring cash to the court, take care of it face to face. All right.
That's fine. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Within 30 days then. Any questions, sir?
No, thank you, sir. I appreciate the time.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Haynes.
Thank you, sir. Have a great one.
No.
Next case will be Altravez Turner, last name Turner. Sorry, Altravez, and she does have Mr. Bowditch as her attorney.
Mr. Bowditch, your appearance.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Miss Turner. Your Honor, today's date and time set for arraignment, waive formal reading, stand mute. We also have a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. We have a plea agreement in which Miss Turner would be pleading guilty to an added count of no operator's license on person, with the understanding her original charge would be dismissed.
Thank you. Ms. Turner, you understand the possible penalty for the added charge is up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you went over your rights with Mr. Bowditch. You understand those rights and options?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today to the added charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on February 14 last year?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license valid or invalid?
Invalid.
I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. Showing your address as a PO box with a phone number of 978-8802.
Yes, sir.
All right. Before we get into sentencing for today's file, it looks like you've got a misdemeanor, Romulus misdemeanor coming up for a pretrial on July 1. You know about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there anything you want to tell me about yourself before I set the terms of sentence on this file?
Sure. I am a nurse. I'm currently suspended at work because of my license is suspended, but I am on the front line. I go from 3 different hospitals and 2 doctor's offices, and I'm just trying to get back to work. I need to get back. They need my help.
What do you got to do to get your license straight?
I have to get the suspension off and then go back to Secretary of State.
So this file is the only thing stopping you from going to Secretary of State?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right. Anything else, ma'am?
No, that would be all. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome. Fines and costs on this file, $600. I can let you pay that within 30 days, paid in full, or set you up with a monthly payment plan.
600 paid in. Yes, I could pay that paid in full 30 days. Yes, sir.
All right. Any questions?
No, not at this point. Thank you.
Good luck to you.
Thank you, Ms. Turner. Remember what I told you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Next case, Your Honor, Thomas Walls, W-A-L-L-S.
Thank you.
Ready,
He has requested MIDC.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of with Mr. Walls.
Good morning, Mr. Walls.
How you doing, Honorable Judge Hindman?
Doing well.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for arraignment. We waive formal reading, stand mute. We've also had a chance to discuss this with the prosecutor. At this time, we're requesting an adjournment in this matter. Mr. Wallace has a couple things he'd like to address before he reapproaches the court.
Okay. All right. So we'll hook him up with a new date for the two May 23rd, 2019 misdemeanors. Mr. Walls, we've got a civil infraction speeding ticket from May of 2019. That one looks like it's been in default for over 2 years now. You owe $370. Can we get you set up on a payment plan on that one?
That's for what?
Shows as a speeding ticket from May 23, 2019.
And I pleaded guilty to that?
No, it's a civil infraction, so there's no guilty or not guilty. It's responsible or not responsible, and this one went into default. Give me a minute, I'll tell you when and why. Scheduled for a hearing June 14, 2019. You didn't show up and a default was entered on June 5. June 4, 2019, default was entered June 5.
To be honest with you, I probably just want to stick with the adjournment. Like
that's not an option on this file. This file, you've owed us money for almost 2 years now.
Okay, so
since June 5, I can set you up with a payment plan. If that helps you.
All right. I'm sorry if I was talking. I'm sorry.
The misdemeanors we're going to set you up with an adjourned court date so you can work a deal. Hopefully, with Mr. Bowditch's help, work a deal with the prosecutor. But on the speeding ticket, we just need to get it cleared up. So tell me what you can do. How much can you pay every month, and when can you start?
How about this? How about I'll give you your money in 3 weeks? Because the money thing is not really the issue.
You want to pay it all off one lump sum, but you need 3 weeks to do it? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah, because kid's birthday. How about like the first of next month? Like seriously, I'll give you the money, but I just have kid's birthday this month.
No, that's fine. Pick a Friday in June. The 4th, the 11th, the 18th.
Well, June is June 11th. I have the birthday, and the 28th. Then after that, I'm free. But if you want to, man, I could give you the money. Just give me a date that you need it.
How about by June 25th?
25th? I got one on the 26th.
You got what on the 26th? You're confusing me.
I got 2 kids. I got a birthday on the 11th, and I got a birthday on the 26th of June.
Okay, well, you just told me to tell you when I want it paid.
All right, that's fine. That's cool. 25th, you will have your money.
Okay, that's $370 on that one.
370.
Okay, now the adjourn date for the 2 misdemeanors is going to be what, Mariah?
June 28th, 8:50 a.m. in front of Magistrate Hindman.
June 28th, Mariah, at what time?
8:50 a.m. Yes, and we will send notice.
Okay, not to be rude, what are these misdemeanors I'm being charged with? And I want to change my mailing address with you guys.
Good, we'll update that in just a minute. 2 charges, registration or plate violation, and drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied.
Okay, that sounds right. That sounds
new address?
Right. Yeah.
Let's have the new address.
Hold on. Let me go outside and get it for you.
The phone number 677-0841, good?
Yep, that's good.
All right, let's get that address updated and then we'll be good.
All right, thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Should I give it to you now?
Sure.
19303 Mount Vista. That's MONTE space VISTA. And I believe the zip code over here is 48221.
What city?
Detroit, Michigan.
All right. Mr. Bowditch, anything else on Mr. Walls?
No, Mr. Walls, just remember what you and I talked about.
Yes.
All right.
Yes, I remember.
All right.
Allow-
we're done
I
for
handle my
today, Mr.
business.
Wallace. I'll see you in June.
Who you got, Miss Loves?
Last name of Dunn, D-U-N-N-E.
Mr.
Yeah,
Bowditch, your appearance for Miss Dunn.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of with Ms. Dunn. Your Honor, today's date and time set for arraignment, waive formal reading, stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case, Your Honor. Ms. Dunn wishes to plead guilty to an added count of no operator's license on person, with the understanding her original charge would be dismissed.
Thank you. Ms. Dunn, you understand the added charge carries a possible penalty of up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines, plus court costs.
I do, Your Honor, yes.
Did you go over your rights with Mr. Bowditch?
I did, yes.
Understood those?
Yes.
Understanding your rights and options, are you pleading guilty to the added charge today?
Yes.
And are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
I am, sir, yes.
Did you drive a vehicle on February 11, 21 in Van Buren Township?
Yes, I did.
At that time, was your license invalid?
Yes, it was.
Mr. Bowditch, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. I'll dismiss both of the original charges that were issued to Ms. Dunn. Ms. Dunn, I've
Thank
got
you,
your
Your
address on Roosevelt. That's a good one.
That's correct, yep.
Phone number 736-8419.
That's me, yes.
Is there anything you'd like me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence on the misdemeanor file?
No, sir.
I'm going to assess your fines and costs at $500. Can you pay that within 30 days, or do you need a payment plan?
No, I can pay that within 30 days.
Do you have any questions?
30 days or 30 business days?
I do it 30 days, like a month, like a calendar
Okay.
day.
Okay, I can pay that by then.
Any questions?
No, sir.
Enjoy your day.
Likewise, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Dunn.
Judge, we have Attorney Glenn McCandless in the waiting room.
Client?
Angela, do you know offhand the client's name?
Michael Hannick. And we're ready on that one. I spoke with him a few minutes ago.
What's the last name? I'm sorry.
The last name,
Hannick?
yeah.
H-A-N-I-N-C-I-N-K. H-A-N-I-N-K.
Thank you. Go ahead and bring him in.
Yep. Jeff, before they begin, I would like to put you into the breakout room with Miss Jennings. First name is Sade. It's S-A-D-E.
Whoa, just a second, I'm sorry. Go ahead, once again, S-H?
S-A-D-E. Last of Jennings, J-E-N-N-I-N-G-S.
Yes.
Case number is 21-VB-01038. No offer from the prosecution.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, one moment.
Mr. McCandless, are you there? You are muted, counsel. I can't read that. Can anybody else? Still muted, counsel. I can't hear you.
Judge, do you want me to call Mr. McCandless on the phone?
Sure, try that. I don't even have a phone in the room I'm in, so yeah, try that.
Okay. 1 second.
Are we getting rid of the civil infractions on this?
It's going to be resolved on a civil infraction. All right, I've got him, Judge.
Mr. McCandless, can you hear me?
Yes, Your Honor, I can.
Good morning. Your appearance for Mr. Hannick.
Glenn McCandless for Mr. Hannick.
All right. And Ms. Manarino, there's a deal?
Yes, Your Honor. We are going to add a count of double parking with a fine of $180 and dismiss the 3 original charges.
Total 180.
Yes, Judge.
Counsel, you have authority to handle this in this manner, correct?
I do, Your Honor.
Can we get your client's 180 in within 30 days?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything else?
Okay.
Have a lovely day, counsel.
All right, thanks, Glenn. Yep.
Judge, that's all we have at this time until Mr. Bowditch is finished with Ms. Jennings. Looks like everyone else in the waiting room is for Huron.
Thank you.
Hi, good morning for Carlos.
Yes.
Okay, Carlos, do you know what time you were scheduled for? Oh, I see you here at 11:10 a.m. Mr. Cabrera Castellano, did you want to speak with a defense attorney or would you like to speak directly to the prosecutor today?
My daughter trailer for me.
I'm sorry, could you repeat that?
Dile, Stephanie. Hold on.
Oh, I'll be translating for him.
Okay, wonderful. Did he say you're his daughter?
Yes.
And what is your name?
My name is Stephanie Cruz.
Stephanie, is it C-R-U-Z-E?
C-R-U-Z.
Just no E. Okay. And Stephanie, your father has the right to an attorney today. It is available to him free of charge, or he can speak directly to the prosecutor.
Okay. Dice que puedes agarrar un abogado o hablar directamente al prosecutor.
Con el juez. No, hablar directamente.
Oh, he said talk to him directly.
Talk to the prosecutor? Miss Foley Carter, are you available?
I am.
Okay, I will put you into breakout room number 2.
Great, thank you.
For William Ashley. Or is it Ashley William? It's William Ashley. Okay. William, today you have the option to speak with a defense attorney, or you can speak directly to the prosecutor.
Okay. I would like to speak with the, excuse me, I'd like to speak with the prosecutor if that's possible.
Sure, absolutely. She is in with another defendant right now, so I'm going to place you back into the waiting room. Just wait there. As soon as she's available, I will put you into a breakout room with her, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Ms. Jennings, I'm going to put you, Mr. Bowditch, were you able to speak with your client? Is she just needing an adjourned date?
She is just needing an adjourned date, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful. So I can give you that adjournment date and time. We don't have to keep her any longer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, so the adjourned date will be June 28th.
Okay.
At 9:00 a.m. And that will be in front of Magistrate Hindman.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
Thank you, Ms. Jennings.
Thank
Mariah,
you.
what was that date and time? I'll note the file.
June 28th, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
in front of Magistrate Hindman. Okay, Ms. Jennings, you're all set today.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Hi, Mr. Jocelyn. Nice to see you back. Glad you made it. Did you want to speak directly with the prosecutor, or did you change your mind?
Speaking directly with the prosecutor would be fine with me.
All right, I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. She is in with another defendant right now. She will be back out shortly.
All right.
Okay. For Marcus Meeks.
Yes, hello.
Hi, Mr. Meeks. I see that you still have that retained attorney. Were you able to make a contact with your lawyer?
Yes, I was. He said he was having difficulty sending over his the paperwork.
Okay. Will he be joining us this morning?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll put you back into the waiting room until he appears, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Lots of no-shows.
For Carlos Cabrera, we're just going to put you back into the waiting room until we have the judge retake the bench, okay?
I'm ready if you are.
Did you come to a plea agreement, Miss Foley Carter? Carter Foley.
We did, you're fine.
Okay. Judge, last name is Cabrera-Castellano. Mr. Cabrera-Castellano's daughter, Stephanie Cruz, will be interpreting.
Miss Cruz, can you hear me?
Yes.
Would you raise your right hand for me? Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between English and Spanish and English so that your father and I can discuss this matter today?
Yes, I do.
All right. Let Dad know what we talked about.
Yo nos estaba diciendo que yo voy a prometer que yo voy a hablar entre los dos.
Mr. Carrera, I understand you are going to plead guilty to the added charge of no valid operator's license on person, April 18, 21.
¿Qué vas a decir que tú sí estabas manejando sin licencia?
Yes.
That carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail.
Dice que a lo mejor si dice sí, pues te van a cobrar como 500 o 700 y a lo mejor 90 días en...
Do you understand that possible penalty, sir? They froze. Sir, do you understand that possible penalty for the added charge?
¿Tú entiendes cuánto te van a cobrar y todo eso? ¿Cuánto lo que te dije? Dices yes.
Yes.
And understanding that, are you going to plead guilty today freely and voluntarily?
¿Vas a decir que sí, vas a decir que sí? Porque sabes que a lo mejor vas a ir a la cárcel o vas a pagar esos cargos?
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on April 18?
Can you tell me again? Sorry.
Sure. Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on April 18, 21?
Dice que si manejaste allí abril 18.
Yes.
At that time, did you have a valid license to show the officer?
Dice que si tenías una licencia válida ese tiempo cuando...
No.
I will accept your plea and dismiss all 3 of the original charges issued to you. Is your address on Dick Street correct?
No.
No.
New address.
6406 Clifton Street.
Is that 646 Clifton?
6406.
06, 6406, correct?
Yes.
All right, is that in Detroit?
Yes.
All right, how about a phone number?
313-799-6012.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Cabrera, you work?
Yes.
Where do you work?
And one car wash
How long have you been there?
in Taylor.
¿De cuántos años tienes?
Oh.
No.
15 years.
All right. Anything I should know before I set the fines and costs on the file?
Dice que hay algo más que necesito saber para antes de meter el caso.
¿Algo que necesito saber?
No, tú necesitas de dejarlo saber.
No.
All right. Sir, fines and costs on your file, $600. Can you pay that within 30 days?
Dice que si lo puedes pagar en
30 días.
30 días.
Yes.
Any questions?
¿Puedo pagar la mitad ahorita y la mitad en 30 días?
Would he be able to pay half of it now and then half of it within the 30 days?
Sure. He can pay it any or none of it within 30 days, as long as it's all paid at the end of 30 days.
Okay, and would he have to do it online or in person?
He can do it in person. He can mail it. I can give you an address. He can mail it to the court. He can do it in person. He can do it online, but if he does it online, it's going to be extra fees.
Okay.
Need an address?
¿Quieres mandarlo por correo o pagarlo en persona?
No, mandarlo por correo.
Oh, yes. What is the address?
When you're ready.
Yes.
11129
11129
South Wayne Road,
South Wayne Road.
correct? And that's in Romulus, 48174.
Romulus, and then what did you say the zip code was?
48174.
48174. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks for your help today.
Okay,
You're all
just-
set.
Oh, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Have
You're
a good
welcome.
day.
You too.
That's all I have right now.
Okay,
Ready
thanks.
to go. Yep. Caitlin, I have William Ashley waived MIDC. So I'll put you back into number 2.
Or I have someone else. All right.
Just one moment, Jeff.
All right.
I'll be right with you.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. Mr. Ashley, I'm going to put you into the breakout room now with the prosecutor.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Jeff, right now I don't have anyone waiting
Okay.
for you.
We're now with the Huron prosecutor.
We are, yes.
Hey, can you
Okay,
talk?
cool.
I have
Couple things. I'm calling you because I got a text.
For Caitlin Ramesbottom.
Yes, hello.
Hi, Caitlin. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
You're welcome.
So today I have you here on impeded traffic and multiple licenses out of Huron Township. That is a misdemeanor charge. We do offer an attorney if you would like to speak with a defense attorney, or you can speak directly to the prosecutor.
Speak directly to the prosecutor.
Okay. I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. As soon as she's available, we'll put you into a breakout room with her, okay?
Awesome. Thank you.
Just a moment. Hi, good morning from Matthew Lewis.
Yes.
Hi, Mr. Lewis. Do you know what time you were scheduled for?
Uh, 10:30, 11:30. Can you see me?
I cannot see you.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Lewis. Are you on a phone or are you on a personal computer?
I figured I'm on the phone.
Oh, okay, wonderful. Hi, nice to see you, Mr. Lewis. Today I have you here on a driving while suspended charge out of Huron Township. That is a misdemeanor charge. You have the right to have an attorney. We do have one available for you today. Or you can speak directly to the prosecutor.
Okay.
Which one would you like to choose?
I think I could speak to the prosecutor. I have an attorney. I could speak to a prosecutor to make it faster.
Well, we have an attorney available this morning if you would like to speak with him, if you have any questions.
Okay, yeah, I'll speak to. I do need an attorney. Yeah, I do need an attorney.
Mr. Bowditch, I'll put you back into breakout room number 3.
Thank you, Mariah. Who is this gentleman?
Last name is Lewis, Lewis. First name is Matthew, common spelling. Case number is 20-0956. Mr. Lewis, do you have a TV on in your background?
Yes, I'll turn it off.
If you could turn that off, that'd be great.
Any deal from Miss Foley?
Not that I'm aware of, but give me one moment and I will pop into her breakout room.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes, I am going to put your client into the breakout room right now, though.
All right, I'll wait a second for it.
Yep.
Oh, did I hit something? Did I do something wrong?
Nope, you're where you're supposed to be. We're just gonna wait until the judge comes in, okay?
Okay.
Good morning, Mr. Ashley.
Good morning, sir. I don't know if I'm supposed to rise, but no. I'll do my best here.
I've been doing Zoom for a year now. That's the first time anybody asked. I appreciate it.
That's no problem. Sorry, yeah, it's been a minute, but I figured I better attempt.
No problem. Counsel, what's the deal you made with Mr. Ashley?
Yeah, and I will be amending the drug while license suspended charge to allowed and licensed driver to drive and dismiss the speed.
All right, so both original charges dismissed. Mr. Ashley, The added
Yes, sir.
charge of allow unlicensed driver to operate carries a possible penalty of up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
And you understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the added charge today?
Yes, sir.
And are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And how do you wish to plead to the added charge, sir?
I'm guilty.
Did you drive a vehicle in Huron on April 12, 21?
Yes, sir.
At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept your plea, sir, to the added charge. I'll dismiss both originals. Showing your address on Dodge, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
And how about a telephone number we can put on the file?
734-644-1675.
Thank you very much. Is there anything you would like me to consider before I set the terms of your sentence?
No, sir.
Mr. Ashley, I'm going to assess fines and costs totaling $500. Can you pay that within 30 days, or do you need payments?
No, I could pay it within 30 days, sir.
Any questions, sir?
Do I call the courthouse to make my payment, or do I have to go down there, or how does that work?
You can mail it, you can drop it in the drop box, you can come in and make a face-to-face transaction 9 to 4, Monday through Friday, or you could pay it online, but if you pay it online, it's going to cost you extra fees.
Okay.
That help?
That helps.
And we are in the new building now.
You are in a new, okay.
Correct. Have a nice day, Mr. Ashley.
Thanks. You too, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Caitlin, Jeff would like to speak with you. He's going to come back into the main meeting, and then I'll put you both into your breakout room.
All right, I'll head there now then.
All right, thanks.
Thanks.
It appears to be a very slow-moving docket.
Jeff, I'm going to put you into breakout room number 2.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
progress.
Attorney Land.
Yes.
Okay, I have your client in here as well. I'm
Okay.
going to put you into a breakout room with Prosecutor Foley Carter.
Okay.
And to discuss any deals they may offer. Okay, just one moment. Judge Oakley, are you still on the meeting?
I am.
Okay, I was in a breakout room when you took care of William Ashley. Can you let me know what happened on that case?
Yeah, let me grab that file. I already took it to Paul. Give me just a minute. What's up?
Morning and
Mr. Meeks, did they ask you to come back to the main room?
Yes, they asked me to leave the breakout room.
Okay, all right.
Would you like for me to mute my mic?
No, no, sir.
Okay.
Hey, Mariah.
Yes.
Mr. Ashley was $500 within 30.
Okay, and we dismissed the speed?
Correct. Both original charges dismissed.
Okay,
He pled to allow.
okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Prosecutor Foley Carter, I have 2 more cases waiting to speak with you.
Wonderful.
Okay, Caitlin, I'm going to put you in with the prosecutor now.
Okay, thank you.
Attorney Land and Mr. Meeks, I'm putting you back into the waiting room. It'll be just a few more moments while she finishes up with these last 2 clients, and then we'll put everything on the record.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mariah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Rames Bottom, I saw in the gallery at one point. Are they in a
Yes.
breakout with Jeff?
She is in a breakout with Caitlin.
Okay. And Curtis Miller. Did
I
we
did
do
not-
that one?
No.
Because it's on my docket at 11 o'clock, but I don't have a file. It's actually
Okay.
2 files and I don't have either one.
Let me see if maybe he called for an adjournment.
Yeah, I'm looking again. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have the file. And I've got an Anita Miller that was scheduled, but
Yeah, Okay, I will pull those. Yes, he was not rescheduled. He should have been here today.
Right, so he is supposed to be on the docket. I just don't have the files.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes. Hi, Caitlin.
Hello.
I'm going to put you back into the waiting room. We'll call your case again very shortly, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Connor. I'm going to put you in with the prosecutor now, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, Attorney Foley Carter, I have one more to speak with you, Connor Joslin. And he should be waiting for you in your breakout room. Mr. Bowditch, will you be putting a plea on the record today, or will we be adjourning this case?
Mr. Lewis, we're going to put a plea on the record, and failure to display is no ops.
Okay, let me put you back into the waiting room, Mr. Lewis. We'll be calling your case shortly.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Okay, Mr. Jocelyn, we're going to put you back into the waiting room. We'll recall your case very shortly.
All right.
Judge Oakley, whenever you are ready, we are ready.
Ready.
Okay, we'll be starting with Marcus Meeks. He's represented by attorney Ivan Land.
Progress.
Good morning, Mr. Land. How have you been?
How you doing, Judge? Nice to see you.
Been a long time.
Yeah, one day we'll get back in there.
Oh, from your lips to God's ears, hopefully.
Yeah.
Your appearance for Mr. Meeks, counselor.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Ivan Land, P65879, appearing on behalf of Mr. Meeks, who's present on Zoom, Your Honor. We have no objection to holding this matter by Zoom.
Thank you. And did you make a deal?
We did, Your Honor. With this court's approval, the city attorneys agreed to dismiss both charges and add a count of no operator's license on person. We would like to accept that.
All right, both counts being a speeding and DWLS, correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, and counsel, I don't have your appearance on record. Did you send it in or will you send it in?
I just sent it in at probably at 10:50.
Okay, that explains why I don't have it yet.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. All right, and Mr. Meeks, you understand the possible penalty for the added charge, sir?
Yes, sir.
You've discussed your rights with counsel. Do you understand those rights and options?
I do, sir.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to the added charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Meeks, did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on April 16, 2021?
I did, sir.
Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied at the time?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept your plea if Mr. Land's satisfied.
I'm satisfied, Your Honor.
So am I. Both original charges dismissed. Sir, I've got your address on Sturtevant. Is that correct?
Correct, sir.
How about a phone number?
Area code 214-732-9963.
9963?
Correct, sir.
And where's 214 from? I don't recognize that one.
Texas. My mom resided in Texas
Okay.
at the time. Yes, sir.
All right, and Mr. Land, anything I should know before I set terms of sentence?
No, Your Honor. Has a daughter, single parent father, does the right thing. He just can't get his driver's license together. So we're trying to work some things out to make some
Good luck
arrangements.
on that, Mr. Meeks.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Mr. Meeks, your fines and costs on this file, $500. Can you pay it within 30 days or do you need a payment plan?
I can pay it, sir.
All right. Counsel, anything else?
No, always good seeing you, Your Honor.
Same here. Stay safe, gentlemen.
Take care.
You as well.
Judge, next case is Caitlin Ramosbottom.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Ramosbottom.
Good morning. How are you?
Wonderful. Counsel, what's the deal with Ms. Ramosbottom?
Your Honor, we are moving to dismiss the mutilated persons charge and amending the impeding traffic to double parking for $180.
180 total?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And Ms. Ramosbottom, is that the deal you made?
Yes, it is.
Can you pay the 180 within 30 days?
Yes, I can.
Any questions?
Nope.
You are all set.
Thank you so much. I do appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Judge, next case is for Connor Joslin.
Thank you. Mr. Joslin, good morning.
Good morning.
Mr. Bowditch, you representing Mr. Joslin?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. And Ms. Foley Carter, what's the deal on the plea for Mr. Joslin?
Your Honor, we are moving to dismiss the double license suspended charge. It's my understanding that Mr. Jocelyn already paid the impeding traffic. If that's the case, we'll just stick with that.
I don't see that that's been paid. When did you pay that, Mr. Joslin?
A week ago, they called me, I want to say either Friday or Saturday, asking if I wanted to cancel the payment on it because I was having the meeting with all of you.
Can you confirm that, Ms. Loves?
Yes, Judge, that was paid on May 20th.
Okay, so I'll dismiss the misdemeanor in keeping with your agreement with Ms. Foley Carter. Got it?
Yep.
All set. Have a nice day.
You too.
Thank you.
Judge, the last case at this moment is Matthew Lewis. He is represented by Mr. Bowditch.
Mr. Bowditch, your appearance.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bowditch appearing on behalf of and with Mr. Lewis. As far as the arraignment,
Yes.
Your Honor, we've waived formal reading, stand mute. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case. And Mr. Lewis wishes to plead guilty to an added count of failure to display a license or no operator's license on person, with the understanding his original charge would be dismissed.
Thank you. Mr. Lewis, is that true?
Yes.
The added charge carries a possible penalty of up to $500 fines plus court costs and up to 90 days in jail. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes.
Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty to the added charge today freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on March 15, 2020?
Yes.
And at that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I'll accept your plea to that charge, dismiss the original charge. We're showing your address on Roar Drive in Toledo, is that correct?
Yes.
489-2939 is your phone number?
Yes.
Mr. Bowditch, anything else I should consider?
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right.
Oh, can
Mr. Lewis, anything you want me to know?
my license are currently suspended. I was wondering if I could have them lifted so that I can try to get a license out in Ohio.
Well, I'm looking at the record. It looks like before we get to this file, it looks like you already owe us $976 on 1, 2, 3, 4 other files. Looks like there's a payment to start June 1.
Yes.
Does that sound right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to assume, I don't know this because the information I have in front of me doesn't give me that detail. I'm going to assume that probably on each one of those files, there is a $45 clearance fee due. Do you know?
Judge, you're
No.
correct.
Okay.
It
all
is
right.
$225 currently in FACs.
Okay, so before you can get straight with the Secretary of State, Mr. Lewis, you're gonna have to get these clearances paid. So it sounds like from my court administrator, there's $226 worth of clearances. Is that including today's file, Mariah?
$225 total on all 5 of his
Okay,
files.
okay. All right, so if you pay the $225, we'll issue these clearances. If these are the only clearances you need, then you can go to Secretary of State and get your license straight. You follow me?
Okay. Yep. Okay. Even though I have a court date on June 9th with the same court, but I guess another city. Is that
Yeah,
city?
I got you. Yeah. You've got a state prosecuted drove a license not valid file coming up on June 9th.
Yeah.
But even though that file's open, the open file won't stop you from getting straight with Secretary of State. The clearance fee is stopping you.
Okay, so I'll pay that clearance fee.
You can pay the full $225, and that's really what you want to do. If you can pay the $225 and get your license straight before you deal with the June 9th file, it might make the prosecutor on June 9th give you a sweeter deal because you'll have your license.
Okay, and
So
will you guys email me like some type of clearance so I can go to the BMV out here?
What you need to do is you need to come to us and pay the $225.
I'll have to come in person.
Well, you could do it online, but if you pay $225 online, it's probably going to cost you another $30 to $40 in fees. It's up to you. It's probably cheaper than driving from Toledo.
Yeah, no, I'm not in Toledo. I'm in Austin, Texas. I'm working.
Well, I
out
can
in Austin.
guarantee it's cheaper than driving from Austin.
Yeah, so.
I mean, you could mail it, but then, you got to wait for the mail to get here.
Right, so okay.
If you go to our website, 34th District Court, if you go to our website, you can pay it online. Like I said, it'll cost you some extra fees because it's a third-party vendor that processes those payments. But if we get, for example, if you go online today and pay us $225, tomorrow we're sending an email to the Secretary of State that clears you on those.
Okay, so I wouldn't get it till tomorrow.
Well, depends on how fast we can process. If you did it right now, it might be processed by the end of the day.
Okay, will I get an email confirmation of the process?
I'm not sure about that, Mariah. Will we let him know that we've sent it on to Secretary of State?
We do not, but if you give me your email, I can note your file and I will send you the clearances so that you can drive, because I don't know how long it's going to take Michigan to send it to the National Registry. It's been taking a delay recently.
Oh, so it could be a while.
But if you have the paper clearances, those are, if you get pulled over, an officer will accept those.
Okay, and can you email me those clearances?
I can email them to you. I just need a good email address for you.
Okay. Are you right now?
Yep, I'm ready whenever you are.
Okay, it's M Lewis, Lewis, Pro PRO ACC1 @gmail.com.
M. Lewis Pro, and you said AVC, like Adam Victor Charles?
No, ACC as in
Oh, so
Adam
Adam
Cat.
Charles 1
Yeah.
at
Yep.
Gmail. Okay.
Okay,
All
and I'll
right,
do
so-
that.
All right, Mr. Lewis, let's get back to today's file. Are you ready for sentencing on this one?
Yes.
All right, fines and costs on this one total $600. You've got a payment plan currently. I can add this to the same payment plan. Understood?
Yes.
All right, now I got to tell you, we're talking about how to get your license cleared. If you get your license cleared and then you don't make your payments, we're just going to resuspend you on all these files.
Understand.
So you're wasting your $45 clearance fees. All right, got a plan?
Yep.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Lewis.
Yep, thank you.
Judge, I
So-
have no one else in the waiting room.
Do I just
Thank you.
leave?
Yes,
You're all set,
good.
sir. You can leave or I'll kick you out. Let's see who can do it first.
Okay.
All right, Mariah, thanks.
Yes. Judge, how long did you want to wait? The last case was scheduled at 11:30 a.m.
I don't care. I'll run to City Hall and come back. I gotta go pick something up from the assessor's office. So
Okay.
if you want to, just text me if you get any stragglers.
Okay.
I'm okay with doing bench warrants at noon. I mean, it's
Okay.
45 minutes after they were supposed to be in the Zoom waiting room.
Okay.
That'll let the 3 attorneys go.
Okay.
All right, so you guys, we'll cut you loose. Thanks.
Thanks, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
Thanks,
you
Judge.
guys for working with us today.
Thanks,
I know it's a
Mariah.
whole
Hold on,
different.
Hold on, don't go. Before any of you 3 leave, give Mariah some feedback on how this worked.
I think it worked great.
Yeah, I think it worked well.
Angela and I talked about it a little earlier. So it's kind of the same process for you guys, a little easier for the judge because everything's grouped together.
No, it was fine with me.
It doesn't slow you guys down doing it this way?
No, I think it actually sped it up.
All right. What I'm worried about is having more downtime for you guys. You're all right? It worked okay?
Oh, we're great, man.
Okay. All right. Thank you all.
All right, thanks, everybody.
So because I'm not typically on, guys, I do have one question about breakout rooms. Are you usually assigned to the same breakout room so you continually go back to the same one?
No,
Or it's just kind of whatever's open?
they just tell us what room to go to and then we go to.
Okay.
This seemed to work better, I think. What do you guys think?
It did, yeah.
I think the assigned breakout room makes sense.
Okay.
That might be something to share with everybody, Mariah.
Okay.
I don't know why, but it just seemed to work smoother.
Okay. Well, they always knew where they were going, I guess.
Well, that
and then I
helps.
controlled the other person. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you know,
You
it's pretty
guys
good
have-
lawyers.
But you guys don't have the ability to pop in and out without the host or co-host doing something, do you?
No,
I
Okay.
don't have the technology, Your Honor.
Only
Caitlin,
if I
can you
made
just
them
jump into,
co-host.
Caitlin can't just put herself into breakout room 3 because she knows that's where she's headed, right?
I can.
Yeah.
It gives me the join breakout room option. I just hop back in.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, but like, and then if I want to go talk to Jeff and he's in 2, I can't go to Jeff's room. I can just go back to my same room.
Okay. That's great. All right, thank you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thanks, guys. If you think of anything else, just email it over to me.
Sounds good.
How is the online dispute going, guys? For Huron and Van Buren?
I think it's going fine.
Is it?
Yeah.
I know you emailed me about the OW. Oh, hold on just one moment. I was just stopping our live stream there. I don't think other people need to hear our internal workings. I don't think they care.
Yeah, I did that one that I had